Fisherman Nate, Fisherman Jake, cameraman JJ. We're out here trying to do a little river monster catching. I already got one fish. Wish I would have saw it, but didn't. Can't make that work. But we're trying to catch some. What's that? Caught me a big monster. Nothing. Got excited there. Oh, wow. Take a bait. The tail goes under for a little. Too excited there. What are y'all using as bait? Bread.
I'm using some old-fashioned bread. You know, it's old-fashioned recipe.
That bobbing. And y'all, we're in Carlton Arms in Winter Haven, right off of Cypress Gardens. Really good fishing spot. I mean, you'll catch some nice warmouth bass.
All the way down by the rock fort.
And we'll catch some nice bluegill and some brim. But we've been fishing out here and making sure and seeing if there's any bass, like regular largemouth, but we haven't found any. Yeah, snapper turtle will bite your line, but I know you don't want to catch any of those, but it's some excitement.
We had a few gators come up. They're looking out.
They take gators out once they find them. And don't worry, they're safely relocated. See that bobber there? That thing almost went under. Get it, Nate.
Dang it.
Look at Jacob out there. Now I would fish, but I mean, I've been fishing all day and it's getting on my nerves. The heat of the sun is. Y'all got too excited there.
Got it. Oh.
I'm trying to play around with me fish. But there's a lot of things. We're just using regular. They're using Shakespeare. I'm using Shakespeare Tiger. Well, I was using Shakespeare Tiger.
I'm using Shakespeare.
The houses here, I mean, those are apartments right there. These are the houses. Nice townhomes, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3.5 or 2.5 bath. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. Instant nibbles already.
Got one. God dang it.
Broke his line. Oh no, you still got your bait too.
They
Go
put
right
up
back in that
big
spot.
fights, people. Put up big fights.
Well, if you're lucky, they will.
You threw up some 3-pound warm-ups.
This video is not going to be much longer, just till one of them at least catches a fish. Got one?
Nope.
That thing went under good. There's Jacob out over there. You can see his bobber. Zoom in a little. Jake's going for the little bigger ones. Still got your bait, Jake.
I'm really going for right now. Is nice bluegill.
Too excited right there, boy. Nate's baiting his line with some bread. Stepdad's about to come home. Oh, I think your bird just popped off, boy. Oh, no, it didn't. Can't get too excited, Nate. Jacob's already pulled. Bauer's already halfway in the water.
Dang it.
They're just really hungry right there because they know food's coming for them. I still got my bait. Jacob's is about to sink in a minute. Look at Nathan's go. Nate, y'all wait too long. Y'all can't do that. It's really critical. These fish, they're picky. So if they bite on your line, that means they like something. But if y'all wait too long, they're just they're not gonna want it anymore.
They're gonna take it right off.
They're gonna take it right off and they're not gonna want it.
Sometimes we even get some nipples without no bait.
Exactly. They're just really hungry fish here. But I'm about to take it up a level. Get a little harder on them. Had to go farther out. That's funny. The whole time I only looked at the camera once. But yeah, look. As you see, this little flip haul. Flip it.
Hi!
I hooked my brother in his back. Yeah. Jake's getting some nibbles. You will get nibbles, Jake. See how fast they just stole the man's bait? No, they didn't steal my bait. Cole got a little thing up. Cole's getting a little thing up. Here we go. Alright, y'all, this video need to get cut short. It's already. Come on now. That's when you need to catch a fish. Nate's getting a lot more nibbles because he's got a weight on. Brother's weight got bit off by a fish. We believe that was a 4-pound warmouth. And Nate's reeling one in. It's tiny, but it's a nice golden. That's golden, actually. Tiny golden brim. Oh, let's get the camera. Oh, but it hooked in the wrong place, people. We're not going to show that. Viewer discretion is advised. We're not even going to show that. But look at that. Nice golden, tiny one. Alright, go ahead and get him out before it dies. Jake should be hooking his pole right now. Careful now.
Just let them know if y'all
Short little paddle.
Dang it.
And we're back at it. Jonathan. I need to tell you something. Yeah, brother's being easy. You may get back to you when you get done. We may get back to you later tomorrow. Perfect water spot right there. I'm about to get on.
Fish on. Oh!
Guys, I'm about to go, man. Alright, guys, we'll get back to you later. Like, share, maybe comment if you feel like it. We'll do another video. Subscribe if you want to, and we'll be posting wild crap. We do anything. We do hit the Quan challenges, anything. So subscribe for that.
Video later today.
Maybe later today. And Nate wants to say something. Fisherman Nate. Let's see if he gets one, and then we'll close the video out with that. Alright, y'all, it's been a nice... Okay. It's been a nice fishing time. Nice, let's see, 10 minutes and 51 seconds. But, we'll hit y'all up later. We'll post probably hit the Quan challenge later tonight if they feel like it. We usually get tired of fishing, or tired of fishing. Fishing makes us tired. You know what I mean, but... Alright, we'll hit y'all up. Oh, Jake got a fish real quick. It's a tiny one, but it's in the stomach. It's not too gruesome for y'all. Hold him up, Jake. It's a nice fish. Alright, y'all. Peace out.